Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenge of Hackerrank, and name of that programming challenge is tree Huffman decoding. In this programming challenge, what we will get two input. One is string and another one is a tree. For example, this is a given string and the tree will look like this. And in the every edge of a tree, there will be a value present. And all other places of a node where that is not the edge of a value, their null value will be there. And every direction of a left of a tree, every direction of a left of a tree will be indicated as 0 and right side will indicated as 1. Okay, this is the two input that we will get. Now our job is to traverse this string path and find out the every edge of a point of a tree, and after reaching the end of a point, read the value that is given to a node. Okay, and after getting the value, again start from the top to read the next value. For example, here I can see that the first value is given as 1. So I told you always you have to start from the top. So this will be the top, correct? So 1 is given, that means you have to travel to the right direction. In right direction, I can see that value is A. So I am going to write A here. After that, again writing to A, the value will again come back to here at the top position. The traversal always come back to that way, and again it will start from the next value. What is the next value? 0. So 0, it will come back to here. Here again I can see that a null value is there, so nothing is going to read. Then it will go to the next value. What is the next value? Next value again is 0. If next value again is 0, then it will go to here. Okay, right direction. Here I can see that one edge value is node. We reached at the end of a node, and here the value is B. So we are going to read this value B. After reading the value, again it will go to the top position. Okay, so and after that, what will be the next position of a string? Again 1 is given, that means it will go to this direction again. And what is the value here? A. So let's write it down. Okay, this one is done. Again we will come back to the top. So what is the next value? Next value is 0. So again we will come back to this direction. This direction we came. Here again null value is there, nothing is going to write. What is the next one after that? Next one is 1. So 1, that means it will go to here. And what is the value of here? Is C. So let's read this value. After reading this value, again it will go to the top position, and we can see that again one more another value. You can see that another value is 1. So let's read this value 1 again. And what is that? The value again 1. If we will read again 1, A it is there. So A, and we have reached at the end position. Okay, we have reached the end of a position, and this is the input that we got, and this input will be our output. So we understood the problem with the help of examples. Okay, now let's see the constraint of this problem. Constraints are the value of a string will be between 1 to 25. So we saw what is the problem. Okay, we will get two input and one is string, another one is tree, and we have to, according to the string, we have to return our output, and the output will be always the edge of that tree. Okay, always the last node of that tree that we have to return. Now let's solve this problem. Okay, for that, what we are going to Hackerrank console, and in the Hackerrank console, the first thing that we are going to write, we are take a new variable. Variable will be new node, and here we are going to save that tree root, and after that we have to iterate that string as value, correct? Because through that iteration only we are extracting the data. So let's use a for loop here. After that, we know one thing here, when it will be 0, then it will move into the left direction, and whenever it will be the 1, it will move into the right direction. So we can use that traversing path. So what we are going to do, we are going to write here s dot char I, whenever it will be 1, go to right, else go to left. And this data we are going to save in a new node variable. Alright, through that we can do our iteration. Now we have to read the value. So when we will read the value, it will read the value when it will end position, when it will be at the edge of a node. And when it will reach the edge of a node, when there will be no left child and there will be no right child. So we can write a logic here. If new node dot right equal to null and new node dot left equal to null. And after reading the value, again we have to start from the top, from the next string as character, correct? For that, what am I going to do? I am going to initialize at the top value again. That's it. I think we have written our logic. Okay, now let's run the code here. So the logic that we have written in 3 sample test cases is showing successful. Let's submit the code. So here we can see that all the sample test cases got successful. Okay, so that means whatever logic that we have written and practiced here is completely correct. Okay, and in all the practice code that we have done here, I will upload it into the GitHub, and GitHub link I will give in the description section. So with that, this is the end of the video, and again in the next video we are going to cover another one of the important programming challenge of Hackerrank. So stay tuned and keep watching Hackerrank channel. Thank you.